Hi guys, welcome back, and today we have a team coach box of AFL cards where me and my brother Blake are going to be opening 5 packs each, and he's my assistant. Let's get with him. First pack. We have Ben Ainsworth Common, Easternwood Common, Dustin Martin and Dion Prestia Battle Teams Mid, Jared Pollock, Jeremy Cameron, Kate Simpson Helen Ward, Jake Milksham, and Nick Roston. Okay, next pack for Blake. Okay, I'm going to open it because he hasn't won. So, we have, who is this? Robbie Gray, Billy Longer, Josh Jenkins and Tom Lynch. So, here, Jack Reedon Silver, Eddie Beck Silver, Hamish Harlop Gold, Brody Grundy Common, Sam Menegola and Jack Reedon. Okay, now it's my turn to open the pack. This one is heavy. Hugh McCluskey, Joe Danaher, Sam Powell Pepper and Travis Spoke, Tom Deddy, Brad Shepherd, Jade Gresham Gold, Stephen May, Phil Davis and Mitch Duncan. Okay, now we are getting on to Blake's next pack. Okay, so Blake, you have Cameron Rayner, Cade Simpson, wow, Jack Darling Footy Powers, Darling of the West. Good job, Blake. Jake Lloyd, Steel Sidebottom, Brad Crouch, Joel Hamilton, Jared Roughhead, and Dusty. Okay, now it's my third pack. He loves Dusty, so he will love Dusty. We have Brad Ebert, Mason Wood, Billy Growls and Ed Richards, Nathan Jones, Ben Ainsworth, Luke Shuey, Luke Parker, Dayton Beans, and Connor Blakely. So how many packets? So we've done 3 packets each. Now this is Blake's third packet. So Blake got Matt Crouch, Ben Jacobs, Jack Steele and Jack Stephen Battle Teams, Tom Boyd, Jack Dunstan, Magic Adore Gold, Angus Brayshaw, Jarman Impey, and Darcy Moore. Okay, now it's my turn. I hope we're going to make this one star right in unboxing. Rory Laird, Billy Growls, or Footy by Spooky Crew, Adam Trollor. These are very cool. Adam Trollor, Collingwood, Adam Trollor, Joe Danaher, Brody Grundy, Jarman Impey Gold, Ted Wingard, Nick Natatui, and Stefan Paniglio. It's Blake's fourth packet, and then we're going on to our last packet. Blake has Tom Bellchambers, Paddy Dow. He loves Paddy Dow. It's his favourite.
Double.
Show them your back. Show them your jumper.
He's a double.
Is number 2.
Double.
Okay, Lockie Neal, best and fairest. Wow, Blake, look what you got. Ollie Wines, Dyson Heppel, Isaac Heaney, Tim Kelly, Will Hayward, and Luke Ryan. Okay, now it's my last packet. Wish me the best. Anthony McDonald, Chip and Woody, Mattiak Shaw, the battle teams of Pease Hanley and Rory Thompson, Paddy Dow Silver, Sam Menegola, Paddy Dangerfield Gold, Trent Cotchin, Luke Dalhouse and Gilbert Chip. Hey Blake, now we are going on to your last packet. Eddie Betts, Tim Bembry, Esava Ratuolia, Tom Hawkins, Mark Murphy, Jack Stevens, Dylan Grimes, David Swallow, Jack Rewalt, and last of all, Shannon Hearn. Let me double check that that's correct. Hey, that's our video finished. I hope you enjoyed it. Please comment down below and subscribe and like to this video, guys. Bye.